The foreigner in the Philippines, Nanay received a gift from Mike. What's your gift for Nanay?
Huh?
What's your gift for Nanay?
That's it right there.
Oh, very nice. Pasalamat, Nanay.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Mike.
We're working on another one, but it hasn't materialized yet.
Ah.
Terrence, did Terrence tell you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and I showed you, right?
Yeah.
But Nana don't need to know yet.
Yeah.
We tell her it won't be a surprise,
Yeah.
right? But it'd be a nice surprise if we can make it happen.
Yes.
What
Yes,
are you
sir.
guys watching here?
General's daughter.
The General's Daughter?
Yeah.
Is this a soap opera?
Yes.
Is it popular?
Yes, because it's popular because this is a prime time.
Prime time.
Yeah.
Well, I don't understand what that is. Do you get movies from America here once in a while?
If we got a DVD, tape.
Oh, uh-huh.
Yeah. But if you want a cable, you can buy a cable. What do you call that? Monthly load for the cable.
Oh,
Yeah. There is a 1,099 pesos for 1 month, and you can watch movies, news.
oh.
Yeah.
Well, like in America, you got Netflix. You can buy movies, right?
Yeah.
Buy whatever you want, or you can get cable. So this is like prime time. So this
Yeah,
is
it's
like,
prime time. Ay, sabalhin na nanay. Ayaw ba? Yeah, nanay is channel 7 after